Meet Joe. Joe is looking for a security solution, one which is flexible and accessible for his home and business. As it happens, he has found the provider he has been looking for. We will assess his premises and existing system to determine vulnerabilities. We will then provide a quotation for him based on our assessment for new systems or upgrades. Once approved, we will communicate our requirements for the agreed services and maintain communication throughout. We will then arrange for installation and takeover of the premises to ensure that Joe is now covered. At this point, Joe and his loved ones are now safely secured and protected. So make the smart choice. Choose Seraphim Security International.